This tutorial will go over which views to share with managers when creating a managerial report. Many of our customers will cut and paste different images out of benchmark analytics, put them into a PowerPoint or an email, and send it to their manager on a weekly or monthly basis. And then there's always that annual chief executive officer type review, and we can touch on a couple of those things as well. So if I were setting up a couple of views to share on a weekly or monthly basis, I would definitely start with the position to benchmark trend here in the top left corner. So this answers the question, are my rates higher or lower than everyone else's? And if I were to set this up, I would put the time range to all years, and I would hover over the most recent year and take a screenshot of this. This gives them a very clear illustration of your performance from a rate perspective compared to your peers over time. One of the most common questions I get when sharing this with senior management is if your performance is higher than everyone else's. And this is where storytelling with analytics can play a significant role in helping users to understand why that might be the case. And it almost always comes down to unique characteristics of your freight, whether that be your payment terms being longer than the norm, or trailer requirements being heavier than the norm, or maybe long wait times or something along those lines. Could be service requirements, for example. So drilling in and understanding those types of things is really critical in explaining why there might be differences. And it's also important to understand that, by laws of averages, somewhere around half of our customers are going to be over the benchmark and the other half might be under the benchmark, roughly speaking. So this is a very common use case to share this bar chart. You can also drill into most recent year, and then if you choose months, you can also show the view maybe below that, how you're trending year to date by month. And then you might want to drill into the most recent month or current month and show an image of by geography. So this illustrates your rate performance by geography. If I open the date range back up to all and scroll down here, this is another highly commonly used view to illustrate how your rates are changing over time compared to all contributors' rates and how they're changing over time. All contributors are in gray and your rates will be in purple. And this illustrates, answers a different question than the bar chart above, the bar chart's answering the question, are my rates higher or lower than everyone else's? This is answering the question, how much have my rates changed over time? I'll do a separate tutorial and really do a deep dive into this metric to help make it more clear. So please see that if you have questions about that. You can also break this out by industry. If it makes a difference to you, you can play around with that and look at those filters. One other commonly used metric is percent of loads in the spot market, especially when the market's tight and those rates are very high compared to contract rates. So this might be another one that you want to share on a weekly basis. I think my demo data is a little bit, it's a little bit scattered there at the weekly level. But you can play around with the different time intervals. But this gives a good trend analysis on how your rates are being utilized from a contract and spot mix perspective. Quick note here, I'll also do a tutorial on rate definition. You can use our spot definition or your spot definition, whichever you prefer to use. But this is a really great KPI on that mix of spot and contract, especially as the market gets tight. Hopefully this gives you a few good ideas of how to create a weekly or monthly view to share with senior management. Thank you.